Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound. And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall in.
Finally, bro. Finally, we're safe. Finally.
Yeah, right.
I don't like you. Got me thinking I'd be better off without you. Yeah, you're toxic and like a crazy